So I met a lady who lived across the street from me, and she said, you should look at this curriculum. We were thinking about homeschooling at that time, and we were still trying to decide. And what I realized once I started watching the videos is if I've got IEW and a good math curriculum, everything else is a bonus. And that was why. That was the whole reason. This neighbor who introduced me to IEW gave me the confidence to go, okay, I can homeschool.
In second grade, I did the
Bible Heroes.
Bible Heroes, yes. Mm-hmm. And I remember thinking, I thought writing was a big kid thing. I'm just like, this makes it simpler, so I can do it too. I learned what a keyword outline was. I thought that was really cool. Learned how to make my paper sound better, and that's really what I enjoy about it.
I really liked the writing curriculum because it outlined everything step by step, made it so easy to understand, and then went on to show how you can dress up the paper and make it sound even better.
Going back to when I was first introduced to it, I remember sitting and watching the video. In the very first video, he starts talking about the keyword outline, and my thought was, paraphrasing is one of the hardest things to learn to do. And he just, in a snap, made it so simple.
Mr. Pudawa does a good job of keeping the class engaged and listening. He does a good job of outlining everything on the whiteboard he's using.
My friend and I went to one of his classes a couple summers ago, and I remember him being very expressive. He was telling us LY adverbs we could put in our paper that we were doing in the class, and when he said violently, he sounded like he was mad, and it was super loud, and it made everyone in the class jump. My friend's mom was watching in the screen from the lobby, and she said everyone jumped.
If I had to describe IEW in 3 words, I would say easy, fun, and helpful.
That's what I like about IEW, how simple they make concepts that seem like they're hard to understand. IEW makes it so simple to understand, so then you can carry those skills with you through your entire life, and you never forget them.
Clarity is the thing that my students struggle with the most. That's the thing that I think my children need to take into the future of their writing, to be able to paraphrase and to be able to write clearly. And IEW has done that.
I like the step-by-step process on you do this one day and you do this the next, and by the end of those 4 days that you work on the paper, it's a good, complete paper that is good to read.
Yeah, I think ultimately at the end of the day, you still may not like writing, but you can do it. And a lot of people can't say that. I don't like it and I can't do it. Well, what if you can do it? You still may not like it, but at least you can write. This alone gave me the confidence to begin homeschooling at all.